Hello Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers. Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Holy shit. I have got this in the mail just a little while ago, and this is a big box. It is of the Argonath from Weta Workshop, and this is the new one that just released in 2021. And wow, I can't believe how big this environment is. Like, holy crap. So let's open this big bad boy up, and let's get right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy this. So as you can see on the box here, this is number 1828 of 1885 of these made. And let's open this big bad boy up here. There we go. So you can see there, that's the Argonath there. Front of the box there, as you can see, and one of the sides. And the back. And the other side. And this is for the 20th anniversary, celebrating 20 years of Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring. Okay, let's open this part up. Thinking that I might have to do the same thing again here. Put this on the ground. Use gravity to my advantage. Aha! There we go. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Wow! This is beautiful, you guys. Holy moly! This is crazy insane. Well, now I'm just gonna put this over here. And then carefully, very carefully, pull this out of here. Very carefully. Oh my lordness. Guys, wow. This is awesome. I love this. Just gonna see how I can pull this out very carefully. I gotta see what I can grab. Maybe I'm going to put that back on there again, just so I have a little more leverage, I think. Holy, this is insane, you guys. It's hard to take out. It's heavy, So you got to be very, very careful here. Um, this is awkward. I'm having trouble taking it out of here. It's halfway out. Grab it, I think. Oh, there we go. I think I got it. Come on. Carefully. Okay. Wow. This is nuts. This has got to be like 20, 30 pounds. This is definitely my heaviest statue. But this is insanely awesome. So you gotta be careful how you handle this. Bring this. This is unbelievable, you guys. This is so cool. Wow. This is awesome. Wow, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. This is so cool. And that's the Argonath. I'll give you some close-ups here in a bit here. But just as an overview, wow. I am so happy I got this one. This is so cool. Very, very cool. So I'll show you in a bit here, like where the Aragorn and Frodo and Sam and Pippin and the Fellowship is coming up the river, coming to the Argonath. This is unbelievable. The detail on this. Like the trees on top. This is cool. Okay, so I will show you guys some close-ups here now. So here is the Argonath close-up. This is unbelievable. Way too cool. You can see where Aragorn, Frodo, Sam, Merry, Pippin, Boromir, Gimli, and Legolas come through on the river, coming up to the Argonath. Very, very cool. Lots of detail in this too. Like, look at that. That is unbelievable. I'll show you the inside here too. Very cool. I'll show you the other side here as well. Portraits are spot on. The likeness, everything about this. I know some people have had issues from paint jobs and everything on theirs. I don't think I see anything on mine that I can see of. But this is phenomenal. This is awesome. This is my best piece to date. And look at that. And the water, the effects of the water on the statue is just unbelievable. I'll show you go there. See what I mean? Just unbelievable. I'll show you around the back of this now too as well, or on the side here first. I thought this was very cool. Look at that. Wow. You can see why it's so heavy. It's because of all the stonework on this. I think it's polystone. But unbelievable. Like, look, and then the trees on top. This is a very, very awesome piece. I am glad I bought this. Very glad. And then on the back, you can see the rippling from the river coming up the river, as if it's going into a lake. And then the top of this here, the trees again. All around, this piece is just phenomenal. Love the detail on this. This is so cool. I absolutely love this. I can't say this enough. I just love this environment. This is so cool. And it looks like a step's coming up, but it's not. It's just part of the wall. Like, this is just wow. Just phenomenal. And so that is the Argonath. Just love this. And like I said, super heavy, but overall, for an environment, this is so cool. Very, very cool statue / environment. Notice that? Arms resting on there. So cool. You can see him holding his sword on the inside. Yeah. So that is the 2020 20th anniversary Argonath. Well done, Weta. Glad I have purchased this environment. That's the bottom there. Who it's made by and everything. Sculpted by Gary Hunt from Weta Workshop. Gary, if you're watching this, well done. I just absolutely love this statue. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of this Argonath. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I have. This is my best statue to date.